Hey guys, we're live at 6:40, running a 4-winner mini for Mike's Blue Snaggletooth. There he is. I got 40 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winners. Copy them here, paste them in chow, 1 through 40. Are the B. Going to roll the dice, got to get at least a 5, which we did. We got a 9er, so we are rolling. Good luck, folks. CJ in the top for round 1. Mr. Bergeron 2. Len 3 and 4. Ryan Carlton takes round 5. Steve round 6 with number 35. Len round 7. And round 8, which means our winners are Len, Steve, Alex, and Ryan. Congratulations, guys. You are the winners of round 9, which makes you the winners of the mini. VQLONH. There they are. Len, Steve, Alex, and Ryan are our winners. Which means I am once again done. This time at 6:41 p.m. There it is. Again, here's our winners. Congrats, guys. See you next time. Thank you.